What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pineal Guardian before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Pineal Guardian works. What is Pineal Guardian? Pineal Guardian's main function is to detoxify and protect the pineal gland. The pineal gland, also known as the third eye, is essential for regulating sleep, producing melatonin and maintaining a healthy hormonal balance, ensuring significant memory improvement. Keeping this gland healthy can significantly improve your quality of life. Does Pineal Guardian work? Pineal Guardian is ideal for anyone who wants to improve sleep quality, increase mental clarity and balance hormone levels. If you feel that your general health could benefit from a supplement that focuses on detoxifying the pineal gland and significantly improving memory, Pineal Guardian is for you. Pineal Guardian ingredients. Pineal Guardian contains 9 powerful natural ingredients that have been perfectly combined to help boost memory function and overall brain health. Pineal Guardian, how to use? To reap the benefits of Pineal Guardian, the manufacturer recommends taking 1 drop a day, preferably in the morning. You can take each drop directly or with your tea, coffee, juice or any other drink you like. Just make sure you shake the bottle well first so that the ingredients can combine into an extra potent mixture. Pineal Guardian money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a refund. This shows the confidence the company has in the product's effectiveness. What's more, Pineal Guardian is FDA approved, which guarantees its safety and quality. Pineal Guardian official. So, if you are looking for a way to improve your memory and your general health and well-being, give Pineal Guardian a try. Remember, the link to the official website is in the video description and in the first comment.